Welcome to the latest in the Light Aircraft Company videos. Today we will be dealing with aircraft cleaning and demonstrating Leading Edge. Leading Edge Light Aircraft Cleaner is a new generation polymeric based detergent. It is fast acting and provides outstanding penetration, soil suspension and resistance to redeposition on protein based soiling, as well as oils and greases and airborne pollution. Leading Edge is fast and easy to use. Leading Edge is safe on aluminium surfaces and painted surfaces as long as they are sound and intact in condition. Painted surfaces which are blown due to underlying surface corrosion should be rectified and refinished. Leading Edge will not repair such damage. Leading Edge comes in a pack of 750 millilitres with a controllable spray nozzle and two industrial open weave surface cleaning microfiber cloths. The nature of these cloths is to assist with the removal of the soiling from the surface and hold the soiling within the cloth ready for rinsing and reuse. Do not under any circumstances use this cloth for cleaning aircraft screens or any other aircraft transparencies. Any retained soiling within that cloth could, under certain circumstances, cause surface damage. Regular rotation of the cloths to provide a clean surface is sensible, and these cloths should be laundered at the end of each cleaning session. Please do not launder these cloths with any form of fabric conditioner in the final rinse, as it inhibits the effectiveness of the cloth significantly. Leading Edge is best applied to a cold, dry surface. However, if the surface is hot, move the aircraft in the shade if possible, or cool down with cold water. Apply Leading Edge to the surface and allow 30 seconds to 2 minutes standing time for the surface active agents and detergents to penetrate and break down the soiling. A simple light application of Leading Edge followed by clean down with microfiber cloths remove even the most stubborn soiling with ease. As the name suggests, Leading Edge was originally formulated for the cleaning of the leading edges of high-performance aircraft and glider wings. However, it is now finding favour with the general aviation community and microlight pilots as well. Its ease of use and rapid results make it very quick and easy to use, as well as being aircraft and user-friendly. Leading Edge is not limited to leading edges. It can be used on aircraft, engine cowlings, spats, empennage surfaces, and the underside of aircraft where environmental soiling can be found at its worst. Leading Edge is available directly from the Light Aircraft Company and is available from our webshop. It's also available from Pooley's Pilot Supply and also FLYLIGHT based at Sywell. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and circulate to anybody that you feel would gain benefit from this product.